always keen for feedback. This chair is by far the most comfortable chair I've ever sat in. It is a Herman Miller chair. I do have very, very expensive taste, but not an expensive budget. Everything in my office is designer or custom made. I have a cartel obsession. It's all like Italian furniture. Most of the stuff in my office is cartel. So I do buy it on Marketplace though. I've never bought anything new in my office. In fact, that chair I bought secondhand for a fraction of what they cost new. They're very, very expensive. The only new thing in this office, in fact, is actually the desk, which I got custom made. Everything else I bought off people that I know. I bought off Gumtree, Facebook Marketplace, because I believe in retained value. And if one day, even that light, that's not new, that's cartel. I bought that on Facebook Marketplace and had it sent to me. So yeah, but if you've got any tips of anything that I could add to my office or maybe take away, I would love to know.